Good morning, guys. So I don't know if you guys could hear that, but this Mustang is just driving around this parking lot and it's so annoying. Maybe just too early for me, but anyways, I came to my old job just to drop off something to my old manager, and I just saw a BRZ here and it literally looks just like mine. White, black housing, but he has the aftermarket headlights. I have the OEM ones, and he has a Mishimoto oil cooler in the front, so I feel like he's turbocharged. But right now I'm getting ready for last video I posted, which was the drone one. I did pretty good. I got like 100 views. I got 2 dislikes, so you know, instead of putting a dislike, could you just comment why you didn't like the video, so it could help me improve on it, and then I'll work on it. I know my videos aren't that great, but I'm trying to improve slowly but surely, you know. But anyways, this video, since I got the day off, I'm gonna head to the beach right now. The closest beach to me is Santa Cruz, so I'm gonna head over there. I brought my drone, and I don't know if I should get food here or over there. I think there's a donut shop over there that I've never tried, and I like trying new food spots. So yeah, I guess we'll try the new food spot over there. But let me show you this BRZ. It literally looks just like mine. Okay. Got my keys. Ew, it's not a cold start, but yeah. And on the way here, I don't know if I ran over a nail, but hopefully I didn't. There's no TPMS sensor, but I heard like a little thump. Look at that, BRZ. Another BRZ World Rally Blue. Alright guys, so I'm basically right here at the beach. Just got here. You know, before when I drove to Santa Cruz, it would feel like a 10-minute drive. Now it's like a hour drive, and actually feels like it's an hour. So I'm kind of scared of flying the drone outward, like out there. I'm not a very good swimmer either, so I'm assuming if it crashes, it's gonna like land somewhere right there, and I don't think there's any way of me getting down there. So yeah, hopefully I don't crash it, and hopefully it doesn't fall into the ocean. So let's set it up and then let's fly it. All right, so I got the drone right here. I saw a video where it's supposed to be like on an even surface, and since this is all like uneven, I just used a box. It's pretty even. It's wobbly a little bit, but just keep it like that. It's good. And then I got it right here. There we go. There we go. And then one thing I'm always forgetting is to remove the gimbal thing protector. And then you face it away from you. And then let's fly it. Alright, let me just set you guys up in a good spot. honestly it's pretty windy right now, and it's handling pretty good. Let me try to land it. Let's see if I can land it. Well, as you can see, landing it's pretty hard, especially on such a small surface like that. I hope you guys like the footage I recorded. I was trying to find some better spots, but I guess since it's such a hot day today, people came to the beach. And I'm still pretty shy when it comes to recording in front of people. So yeah, sorry about that. But I feel like it came out pretty good. So let me just show you guys some stuff I'm kind of disappointed in when it comes to the DJI MAVIC MINI. But man, one thing I love about California is just look at this. Of course the camera isn't going to do it justice. But man, it looks so beautiful. You see how nice the beach is? And then there's us, humans. You look at this beautiful scenery right here, and then look at this. Trash. Trash. All this damn trash. And then tagging. I don't mind art. If anything, I respect people who tag, but that tag murals, not like just random letters. If I had some gloves, I would definitely like pick all this shit up, but I don't have any gloves, unfortunately. Oh man, look at this, just so beautiful. And then there's like some people maybe like fishing over there or recording. I see a tripod, but it looks really nice. I wonder how they got there. But anyways, let me show you guys some of the issues I have regarding this drone. Alright, so let me show you guys some issues I have with the drone. It's right here. You see how like right there is like where like it connects to right here? I just wish that they put like a little tab or something, you know, so like you could see that it's gonna be protected and nothing's gonna be going in there. Because I mean, like, look at me, my whole camera got dusty and everything just from being out here. That's like right here, they could have put that, so nothing could get in there and get stuck in there. That could have been a big improvement. Like I said, with the controllers, same thing with this one. It's just like right here, you know, right here's your micro SD card, and then right here's the connector, I think, to charge it in case you didn't get the Fly More combo. And honestly, I wish they just had the little plugs there, but it doesn't. But other than that, I have no complaints. It's a really good, sturdy drone for 400 bucks, worth the money. They even sell like the little thing to decorate it, which I might just use a Sharpie and decorate it myself, or I might just leave it like that, or I might just wrap it with like vinyl wrap, since I have some at home. But honestly, it looks really good so far. Those are the only complaints I have about the drone. It's honest, I love that it's like really compact, really light, and yeah,